Yes guys, now ay ready na natin ilagay yung gulay, which is some broccoli and carrots. Dahil marami akong carrots, kaya lalagay na natin. Ayan. Hi guys, in this video I'm cooking beef broccoli with carrots. Tapos takpan ulit natin. And then guys, ready na nating ilagay ang cornstarch. Ayan, nag-melt lang ako ng kaunting cornstarch with water. Tapos bubuhos natin dyan para lumapot siya. Hindi ko na bango-bango guys. Kung maamoy nyo lang dito, smells really, really good in here. Natin ang i-mix. Mix natin. Ayan. Ayan, malapot na yung ating sauce. Ayan, guys, see? Parang lumapot na siya right away, diba? Oh, ayan, oh. Masarap siya. Okay. There you go. Almost ready, guys. While the broccoli is still green. And you can add a little more pepper. And then just taste it again if you need more seasoning. But I'm pretty sure this is already perfect. The meat's been marinated for a while now. So, masarap na siya. Ayan lang guys. Diba? Madali lang magawa nito. Oh, na kayo mag-order, oh. Ayan, gawa na lang kayo ng version niya. Ayan. Looks good. So, guys, ayan. Tapos na siya. Lutong-luto ng ating broccoli. Beef broccoli with carrots. Does it look good? What do you guys think? Sarap, diba? Mukhang pasado, oh. Mukhang masarap, oh. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting soy for flavor. Adjust ko. Kayo nang bahala mag-adjust ng timpla nyo, guys. Kasi nga, hindi ako pwede ng oyster sauce. So, ayun. Inaano ko lang kung anong po pwede sa amin. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo pang palaputin, pwede pa rin. Yan, o. Hanggang mag-reduce ng kaunti. But, it looks good already to me. Perfect na siya. Tikman. Sarap. Lasang beef with broccoli. Ayan. Ayan guys. Hope you like this video.